Good afternoon, Angela and Dave at Wyllie's Travel Adventures. Just to let you know, we've arrived at this train station at Carlisle, heading to Manchester Airport.
Yay.
So we're just waiting for the train coming in. So we'll do a next little video when we're on the train shortly. Okay? And off we go, everybody.
Oxenhoe, Lancaster, Preston, Bolton, Manchester.
So excited, aren't we, David?
Oh yes.
Very excited.
Manchester Airport. The next
Wait all year for this.
Yeah. We booked it over a year ago.
Aye.
Now it's here. Can't wait. Lots of videos and things coming your way.
Happy days.
Happy days.
Carlisle Power Signal.
I won't bore you with all the train journey. We'll just put little snippets in here and there. So we just stopped at Preston, everybody, and now we're heading to Bolton, and then 2 stops in Manchester, and then Manchester Airport. And we arrive in the airport at 2:45. That's not too bad. Gone quite quickly, actually, hasn't it? We got our seats straight away, so we didn't need to panic. Not that we panic, really. Sometimes we do. But we got on first, more or less first, and got the pick of the luggage rack, didn't we? Huh?
Yep, got the luggage straight away. And
yeah.
Got our seats just a couple of seats down from the luggage.
Yeah, so I keep having to check just to make sure nobody goes off with it. So we'll see you all at Manchester Airport next for the route tour. Woohoo! So we've just made it off the train station. And you can see the trains down there. Now we're heading for the Radisson Blu, which is straight ahead of us. So you have a Cafe Nero over there. And there's a W.H. Smith next door to it. Oh, it brings back memories of staying in the Radisson Blu, doesn't it? Wasn't a bad journey down from Carlisle. And luckily the Radisson Blu is near the terminal too, where we fly off tomorrow. As you can see, it's absolutely pouring down. I don't think they'll be washing the windows. Look at the rain, everybody. We'll be going into that as well, Florida rain. But it'll be warm rain. And there we have the Radisson Blu on the left hand side. And straight ahead is to Terminal 2. So we'll probably go for an explore later, eh?
Yep.
So we've checked in and speedy time, that was really quick. And we're in room 756. Runway view. So we're on the right hand side. And here we are, room 756, and I shall be doing a room tour in a matter of minutes. So here we go. Let's knock on the door.
Sorry, there's nobody in today. Come on.
Hello.
Come on.
Hello, hello, hello.
How are you doing?
All right.
Good, good.
So, this is our room for the night. So, let's see what we've got in here. We've got a massive bed. It's a superior room. We booked it a heck of a long time ago. It was £149 for the night. So, you've got your wee lamps. And some, can't see any USBs there. What's this here? Let's see what this is. This is probably a little, oh, that's just a little night light, but it's not working. Probably because you need to put the key in the slot. Maybe, I don't know.
Probably.
There's a TV.
Slim.
Slim telly, yeah. And a desk for people doing their work on. A couple of plug sockets. And we've got a nice puffy there. Remember that time when we came and it was our anniversary?
Aye.
And we got some plonk, didn't we?
I've got some plonk.
Bottle of plonk, and we got some chocolate strawberries.
Aye.
So we've got some USBs under there. You've got one and a plug socket. There's a nice big room. So here you've got your kettle with all your bits and bobs. You've got hot chocolate. You've got 2 bottles of water. I think we might take that with us actually. Oh, we'll probably use it tonight when we take our tablets. So you've got a little fridge here, which we might put the water in, but it's not that cold, but it'll cool them up a bit. 2 cups, and then you've got a little wardrobe area here, and it's got the ironing board, and you've got the iron behind it. And so in here you have the bathroom.
You need the card for that.
Yeah, I thought we needed the card. We need the card. In the amount of hotel rooms we've stayed in, you think we would know.
We know these things. There we go.
This weather's been strange all the way down from Carlisle. Rain one minute, sun the next. So here we have the bathroom. The toilet, oh, right in front. And then you've got the sink here. Light up mirror if anybody who wants to shave. Yeah, body wash and hand wash. And then you've got a bath. Ooh, that's a fancy shower head. All your Radisson Blu shampoo, conditioner and body wash. And there's a fancy shower head up there. That warrants a zoom in, that does. Never seen one like that before. Yeah, everything's nice and clean. There's a hair dryer on the back of the door. And there's a little mini safe there, which I never saw because the case is hiding it. So we'll have a look out the window now. And in the window you see a Mr. Wyllie taking photos.
There's nothing. Because of the rain.
Yes, it's been pouring down. And there's the runway. Well, we've got a runway view. You kind of see nothing at the minute. It's too... Let's see if I can zoom in a bit. I don't know what It's gone all blue actually. I don't know why it's gone all blue. That's better. Woo, you can see the planes in the distance. Now the last time we stayed here we were behind that building there and you couldn't see a thing, could you?
No, you couldn't.
Couldn't see a thing. Once it dries up and it gets sunny again, we'll be able to take a better view, I suppose. And there's the planes coming in and out. There's been some heavy showers on the way down.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the walkway across to the different terminals and things. But luckily we haven't got far to walk to our terminal.
It's there, basically.
It's that way, isn't it?
To your right.
All right. Getting confused with me bearings. So there you have it. That's a Radisson Blu room. Quite a big room, isn't it?
It's a nice room.
Yeah, they're nice rooms here.
Yeah.
I mean, you could have paid more for club level, but what do you need that for? When you're just putting your head down and getting a good sleep before your 9-hour journey tomorrow.
Yeah,
Huh?
exactly.
Well, it'll be a lot more than 9. It'll be about, I don't know, probably about 9 or 10 hours with the journey to the hotel and whatnot.
Yeah, probably.
We shall see. It all depends what the weather's like, I suppose. But yeah, they do in-room dining as well, like room service. Let's have a look at that. Let's see what the menu is like, shall we? Zoom in for you. Typical airport prices. And there we have it. Yeah, that's what you get in your room. So there we go, that's the room tour. We'll video the hotel later on when we go down the stairs to explore. We're going to try and find this airport pub, but we're not sure how to get to it yet, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. Oh, now you can see the runway a bit better, now that it's fairing up a bit. It's all exciting stuff, ready for the off tomorrow. So we'll see you all later. Bye for now.